YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Last time when I posted a video, I did a poll about my upcoming video, which is this one. I had options of doing a watercolor painting or an art journal with me video. An art journal with me video won, and here I am with that one. Gonna see me art journaling. You'll notice that there is no voiceover in this video, just background music, a peaceful background music. It's because I want this one to be a peaceful kind of thing, like something you watch which relaxes you and your mind. Therefore I didn't do a voiceover in this. And yes, without much ado, let's jump into the video. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe and comment. I mean, just do your stuff. You know what to do. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye.